Hello students. Now we have to continue the chapter 3 here at Bhimbetka. All the children reach at the Bhimbetka. The caves and the painting of the Bhimbetka is too decent. Okay. Now we have to learn about some business and some people and some deers in the cave children see. Okay, here they counting Shankar and Veena counting deer and beasts and people. Okay, 34, 35, 36. I got 37 bisons. 112, 113, 114. I got 117 deers. Yeah. How many more deer are there than bisons? So there are 80 deers, bisons. Okay. How can we count? V minus 117 minus 37. So we got 80. That's why. But Veena is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and bison together. Here count is there less than 200. So how many people must Veena have counted? 214 or 154, 134, 177. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. It is time to leave Bhimbetka. देखो भीमबेटका कितना सुंदर है. इसमें आप देख रहे हो अलग अलग टाइप के bisons and deers and painting of the many more. Okay, now they leave the Bhimbetka place and they have spent a hour. 1 घंटा उन्होंने वहाँ पे भीमबेटका में स्पेंड किया. Now what is time it is? It's 12 o'clock. They are now moving toward भोपाल. अब भोपाल की तरफ वो जा रहे हैं. They should reach there in less than 1 hour. मतलब 1 hour 1 o'clock तक वो पहुँच जाएंगे. अभी 12 बजे हैं. 1 घंटे के बाद वो भोपाल पहुँचेंगे. ओके, नाउ दे गोइंग टू ट्रिप टू रियल ट्रिप ऑफ भोपाल हियर. नाउ अभी सब बच्चों को भूख लगी है. इट्स 1 o'clock. सो दे हैव टेक अ lunch time now. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs. Biscuits, oranges and bananas are also distributed in all buses. सब लोग के लिए क्या क्या ला गया है? बिस्किट्स है, oranges and bananas. Each child is to be given 1 orange, 1 banana and 5 biscuits. All the children take oranges and biscuits, but 38 children do not take banana. So, how many oranges, biscuits and banana are they distributed? We have to counting it. Okay. Here now see. Manjit and Beenu quickly finish their lunch and start asking puzzle to pass the time. टाइम पास करने के लिए उन्होंने लंच कर लिया है, तो अब टाइम पास के लिए वो पज़ल खेल रहे हैं. आप लोग भी पज़ल खेलते हो ना, आपके पास घर पे होगी. अभी तो आपके पास बहुत सा टाइम है. ओके, नाउ मंजित, टेल मी द नंबर विच इज़ एग्जैक्टली बिटवीन 100 and 150. 100 और 115 के बीच में बिटवीन नंबर, हम बिटवीन नंबर सीख गए हैं बेसिक में ही. ओके, तो भानु से 120. No, 130. No, it is 125. Yes, Manjit. Right, okay. You ask me now. अब आप मुझे पूछो. Other children join in. Everyone is asking puzzling questions. They are all enjoying the puzzling. Okay, see here. They are enjoying. Now, what number is can making 3, 5 and 7? कौन सा नंबर आता है? तो इसको हम चेंज करके भी लिख सकते हैं 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 7, 7, 3, 5. That's way. Okay. Now they are going to Bhopal, but here they are solving one more puzzles here to solve this. Okay. Now they reach that this place. Oh yes, the garden and lake and too much beautiful scene here. See, okay, they enjoying the boat. Okay, which boat do they take? They are also lots of puzzles that they do not notice they have reached lake. पजल खेलते खेलते कहाँ पहुँच गए उसे मालूम ही नहीं पड़ा. It's a very big lake with a small island in it. Okay, island भी है इसमें. Now, the lake looks very beautiful at this time. There are a lot of ducks making loud noise. Children gave them popcorn. बच्चे से popcorn दे. देखो कितनी बड़ी ducks है ना, बहुत सारी ducks. Okay. Now comes to exciting part. It is time to go for a boat. They have to choose which boats to take in, but that is not easy. किस तरह से boating करेंगे? Here you have to see. This is the table of different type of buses and tickets and timing. Okay, name of boat, take practice, ticket price and trip time. Double decker 30 rupees 45 minutes. Paddle boat 15 rupees 30 minutes. Motor boat 25 rupees 20 minutes. Boat with horse 15 minutes 15 rupees 45 minutes. Okay, that's why they took the time and enjoy the boating. See here, Indra and Bhanu first went in the motorboat and then take to our boat. How much did they pay for both boat? Rupees 80. Okay. How much time did they got both rides? 65 minutes. 1 hour and 5 minutes. One group of children went for double decker trip. It paid for 450 in total. How many children went for a double deck? देखो इन लोगों ने 450 रुपीज़ दे दिए और एक का है 30 रुपीज़ डबल डेकर का. सो कितने चिल्ड्रन ने इसमें राइड इंजॉय की होगी डबल डेकर में? 15 चिल्ड्रन. ओके. विच बोट मेक 2 ट्रिप्स इन आवर पेडल बोट? पेडल बोट जो होती है वो इसमें 1 आवर मिलता है क्योंकि 30 मिनट्स और 30 मिनट्स 2 टाइम करना है तो उसे 1 आवर मिलता है, 30 मिनट्स और 30 मिनट्स. विच बोट टेक्स लेस देन हाफ आवर टू कंप्लीट द ट्रिप? एक तो है मोटर बोट. मोटर बोट जो है उसमें उसको ये जो हाफ आवर है वो कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको ये बोट लेनी है. विच बोट गिव्स देम मोस्ट टाइम टू टेकिंग लेस मनी? सबसे लेस मनी किस में है? और बोट सिर्फ 15 मिनट्स है. ओके, 15 रुपीज़ है. जावेद वेंट टू twice for a boating. He paid a total 40 rupees and 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did take? Pedal boat and motor boat. Pedal boat का है 15 रुपीज़ है, मोटर बोट का है 25. तो इन दोनों को मिला के 40 रुपीज़ हुए और 30 मिनट्स एंड 20 मिनट्स, तो इनको मिला के हुए इसके 50 मिनट्स. दैट्स वे ये एन्जॉय दिस. ओके, सो पेडल बोट एंड मोटर बोट. नाउ children enjoy different boat rides till 4 o'clock and time to return now. अब तो ट्रिप ख़त्म हो गया है, रिटर्न जाना है, तो इन लोगों को 4 घंटा इसमें लग गया और 2 घंटा reach back. Okay, so they spend total 6 o'clock to come here, 4 o'clock and 2 hours. So 6 o'clock they come back. Okay, enjoy the trip. So we have to meet tomorrow. Okay, thank you class.